If your business will need new computers or devices later this year, we recommend you plan ahead now. There's a global chip shortage that most people don't know about. It's happened because there aren't enough chips being manufactured for all the devices that need them. Think about it. There are chips in everything these days. Even your fridge has a chip in it. At the same time, demand's shot up because of the pandemic. People have been upgrading both at work and in their home office. But it's so difficult and expensive to manufacture chips that you can't just open new chip factories to meet demand. It's the perfect storm. However, there's good news. This shortage won't be a problem for your business so long as you plan ahead. If you think you might need any hardware in the next 6 months, consider placing your order early. We can help with a strategic review of your current hardware and recommend what you might need in the future. Get in touch and let's talk.